Namaste everyone. Today we are going to explore an important topic, rainwater harvesting and its significance for our homes and the environment. Rainwater harvesting is a simple yet powerful solution to address water scarcity and conserve precious resources.
Rainwater is a valuable resource that supports various ecosystems and sustains life on our planet. However, with growing population and changing climate patterns and getting clean water, harvesting has become more challenging. Rainwater harvesting offers a sustainable way to augment our water supply and reduce reliance on traditional sources.
There are many ways of using rainwater harvesting system in our homes. Conserve water by using rainwater for household work purposes. We reduce demand on water supplies, saves money, lower water bills and potential rebates or incentives for installing rainwater harvesting system in our can lead to cost savings. Promote sustainability by utilizing a natural resource and reducing runoff. Rainwater harvesting contributes to environmental conservation, enhances resiliences during droughts or water restrictions. Having stored rainwater provides a reliable alternative water source.
Rainwater harvesting involves capturing and storing rainwater that fell on rooftop, driveways or other surface. From the collected rainwater directly through gutters, downspouts into storage tank and cistern. From there, it can be filtered and used for various purposes such as washing clothes and flushing toilets.
Installing a rainwater harvesting system requires a careful plan and consideration of factors such as roof size, rainfall pattern, and local regulations. Various components such as including gutters, storage tanks, filters, and distribution group must be chosen and installed correctly to ensure effectiveness and safety. Regular maintenance such as cleaning gutters and inspecting tanks is essential to keep the system functionally optimally. Encouraging community-wide adoption of rainwater harvesting can amplify its impact and create a culture of water conservation.
In the end, collecting the rainwater is a great way to help. When water is scarce, we save water and money. It helps us to enough water for future. Thank you for your attention and participation. Together, let's make a difference through rainwater and sustainable living practices.